Hi everybody and welcome to the night. From the Public Domain team, I'd like to congratulate all the entrants into the competition. We'd like to congratulate all of you. We consider you all winners. Thanks a million for taking part.
Hi, Paul McCall, Lord Mayor of Dublin here. I want to congratulate all of you for taking part in the City Neighbourhood Awards. The awards recognise the great work that you do throughout the year, right across the city. It's fantastic work because it makes a real impact in your local community. You support local community clean-up days, community events and festivals. All of that makes this city a greater place. So congratulations and the very best of luck.
Myself, Philomena and all the gang from Sing This Tidy Town. We're here today in this woodland garden. We're delighted the way it turned out. We added on things as we went along, and our own John Judge made a beautiful fairy cottage for us, and we'd like to thank St. Canice's Girls' School for sponsoring this chair.
Good evening, Robert Murphy here, Chairperson of Ballymun Tidy Towns Group. We really notice the difference that you guys make in your communities in Dublin and in the Ballymun area here. You're a credit to your communities. The Ballymun groups are making a huge difference to Ballymun here and helping tidy towns with all their endeavours to make the community a much better place to live and work in.